Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 turns an SUV into a first-class lounge on wheels. Reclining massage seats, Napa leather and personalized settings define Maybach comfort. MBUX with voice personalization and advanced driver assistance elevate the experience. Its engineering and indulgence combined for those who demand the best. Ferrari's Purosangue brings a V12 heart to the SUV world. A 6.5L naturally aspirated V12 produces around 715 horsepower. Inside racing DNA meets luxury, light, focused, and intensely refined. It sprints to 60 in about 3.3 seconds, an SUV with a supercar soul. Market trends show luxury SUVs now represent over 60% of luxury car sales. Buyers demand eco-conscious performance, pushing brands toward hybrid and electric models. Customization is the new status symbol. Bespoke finishes make each SUV unique. Luxury SUVs are less about size and more about personality and exclusivity. Looking ahead, electric powertrains and autonomous driving will reshape luxury cab